You are listening to Chapter 2, Lesson 11 of Form 3 Economics. Cameroon General Education. Narrated by Wacheseh Academy. Types of utility. There are two types of utility, namely, total utility and marginal utility. 1. Total utility, T.U. It is defined as the entire or total satisfaction derived from the consumption of a given unit of a commodity at a particular place and time. Total utility increases at a decreasing rate as more of a commodity is consumed. This means that each additional, extra, unit is taken to add less to the total satisfaction derived from the consumption of the commodity than the one taken before. 2. Marginal utility, M.U. This is the additional, or extra satisfaction, derived from the consumption of an additional unit of a good or service at a particular place and time. It decreases as more of the units are consumed. See the example in notes. From the above utility schedule and curves, it can be observed that MU decreases as more plates of rice and beans are consumed up to zero, with the increase in consumption from the third to the fourth plate. This is the point of satiety or maximum satisfaction. After this point, if the student continues to increase his consumption of rice and beans, he will obtain negative satisfaction, dissatisfaction, and TU will start to fall after the consumption of the fourth plate of rice and beans. Note: when total utility is highest, marginal utility equals 0. The total utility curve slopes upward, and after the consumption of the fourth plate of rice and beans, the curve starts falling. The marginal utility curve slopes from the left to the right, negative sloped. The above situation brings out the idea or concept of the law of diminishing marginal utility, which states that as more and more units of a commodity are consumed, marginal utility keeps on falling down to the point 0, and even negative since total utility increases at a diminishing rate.